Hi, I'm Yaswanth. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I want to share 5 skills that will never get replaced by artificial intelligence. As we continue to see advancements in technology and AI side, there is a question commonly rise in most of our brains. Will AI replace all our existing jobs? The answer to this question is yes and no as well. There were many manual skills that are already replaced by AI, and there are some skills that are about to get replaced by AI, but still there were few skills which only human can excel in. In this video we will see 5 such skills which will never get replaced by AI. Let's get into the video. The first is creativity and decision making. AI can predict future. AI can predict what will happen based on what happened already. But AI will not take creative decisions. Let's suppose you want to take a decision about your career. You submit your school report card to AI and ask like which career will suit you well. It will tell you based on the marks that you have scored, the grades that you have achieved so far. But do you think that's the reality? No, right? Because we might score good marks in all of those subjects. There is no rule that we should be passionate about one of those subjects. We might be interested in any other field. We might be interested in photography. We might be interested in music. But AI can't know that, right? So only humans can take decisions out of it. Not only on individual level, if you can take organizational level, even taking informed decisions, taking good and optimistic decisions might not be possible for AI. AI can only give you solutions based on what happened already. You cannot ask AI to come up with some creative solutions. Of course, it might give you, but based on the past data, it cannot think spontaneously and give you a completely new solutions. So that is where AI is lacking it. And second is effective communication. Of course, AI can communicate well. AI can write messages and emails more accurate than us. AI can talk more accurate than us. But effective communication is something which also involves spontaneity, emotions, showing your body language. So these are the things that AI cannot do actually. On everyday communication, it is important to express ourselves very naturally. That is something AI cannot do. So even though artificial intelligence can do all these communication tasks, but still it's artificial, but it's not natural. It can communicate, but it cannot effective communicate when compared to humans. So if you want to tackle a challenge, if you are standing in front of 1,000 people, if you want to attract audience, in fact the people standing in front of you, AI cannot do that. AI can only communicate, but humans can effectively communicate. So that's the difference between communication and effective communication. And number 3 is leadership. AI cannot lead a team. It's almost impossible. AI can instruct people to do tasks. AI can follow instructions, but AI cannot lead a team, because leadership is a trait which involves emotional intelligence and interpersonal skills. Both are required. So it needs you to think according to your team. So that is something which AI cannot possess. So that is the reason why I believe humans are always the leaders and AI based machines are always the slaves. And number 4 is strategy making. It is something that will never get replaced by AI. Strategy making is all about seeing the bigger picture and take decisions based on that. Of course, AI can provide data. AI can provide analytics. AI can give you where we are doing well and where we should improve. Making strategic decisions based on intuition is something that is only possible for humans. AI cannot strategize things. AI can only give you predictive analytics. That's it. So strategy making is something that only humans can do. You can only plan a strategy spontaneously. Strategy making also needs experience as well as some emotional intelligence. That is something that AI cannot possess. Companies are always looking for individuals who are good at strategy making with their experience and how and the value that they can add to their company. AI cannot do all those things. Of course, AI can automate certain processes. AI lacks at something called social skills. So in today's fast-paced world, it is important to effectively collaborate and work with others. AI cannot do that because AI lacks its social skills and emotional intelligence. AI cannot think out of the box. AI can only think based on the data that is provided to it. So that is the reason collaboration is something which only a human can do. So these are all 5 skills that are always in demand. Even though AI is advancing everywhere, but still there are some human skills like the 5 that I have mentioned so far, which needs to be valued and which will continue to be in demand. So try to focus on developing and enhancing these skills, because these skills are always valued. Thank you for watching this video. Please like this video and share this video in your network. Also, if you are a new visitor to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.